Good Thursday morning, everyone. It was another very chilly start to the day. Temperatures fell into the 20s. The good news is next few nights won't be nearly as cool. Yes, there is still a warming trend, but comes at a cost. Today, highs near 50, mostly sunny skies, a little breezier today, and the winds are off the water, so that means our coastline will be cooler than inland spots. You're going to start to notice a difference in the temperatures this evening and tonight, and the reason tonight is that we've got a lot of extra clouds around, and that'll keep us close to 40 degrees for an overnight low. High pressure moves out, cool front drops in. Here it is at 11 o'clock at night, bringing the extra clouds through the nighttime hours, and there is the risk for a couple of sprinkles or light showers tomorrow. Notice again at that front to the north and west of us when you wake up in the morning. If it sags a little bit further south, as this would show, we'll have the chance of a passing light shower during the afternoon on Friday. For your Saturday, warm front lifting through, and that will bring that mild air we've been talking about all week. Still expecting highs in the 60s Saturday, with dry conditions and a breezy wind. Cold front getting closer to us Saturday night and Sunday, and that will bring throughout the day Sunday an increasing risk for some showers. As for the temperatures, it's all going to be dependent on how much sun we're able to get on Friday, whether we can hit close to 60, thinking mostly in the 50s. For Saturday, still looking at a mild afternoon, highs into the lower 60s away from the coastline. Now notice the warmest spots are well inland, Pasco, Smithfield, Attleboro, into the low to mid 60s. You get closer to the bay and the shore, and you're looking at 50s for highs. Saturday is the better half of the weekend. The only downfall Saturday are gusty winds. They'll be at about 25 miles per hour. On Sunday, rain showers likely by the afternoon, and with that, it'll stay a little cooler.